A man who police say drove while high on drugs and caused a crash in southern Kentucky that killed 4 people, including an unborn child as well, was back in court this morning. Jason Gibson is charged with murder, fetal homicide, and reckless driving. WKYT's Phil Pendleton has reaction from relatives of the victims who were also in the courtroom.
The appearance of Jason Gibson in the Clay County District Courtroom lasted only a couple of minutes. He strolled out wearing a bandage on his foot, and he could tell that he still had a head injury from the crash that happened back on December 18th. Now, we could have heard the allegations against him, as normally in preliminary hearings, the police officer who worked the case will testify, but instead Gibson's attorney chose to waive that hearing and forward it on to the grand juries. We could hear about an indictment in the next several weeks. Now, we have learned from court records that some of the evidence Gibson was allegedly under the influence of meth, Xanax, and anxiety meds when his truck crossed the center line of the Hal Rogers Parkway and crashed head-on into the 4 people coming the other way. Judy Pennington Adams, her granddaughter Tiffany Williams, her son Kyson, and family friend Charlene Lewis all died. Williams was pregnant with a boy that was due this month. All of them were returning from a doctor's appointment in Lexington when the crash happened last month.
My mom was one of the best people ever, not just because she was my mom. She had a smile that would light up the room. Judy had a laugh that was infectious, and Tiffany loved everybody.
A grand jury again will have the next say in this case, but Gibson's case will be called up again for review on February 16th. In Clay County, Phil Pendleton, WKYT.